I had no skills, no experience, and no audience, but I still managed to make my first $100 on Fiverr. And no, this is not luck. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it step by step, so you can copy the same system even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your Fiverr account, what service to sell, how to get your first order, and how to actually reach your first $100. If you've been trying to make money online but keep getting confused or overwhelmed, Fiverr is one of the simplest places to start. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. Creating an account is easy. Making money is the hard part. So I'm not just going to show you what to do, I'm going to show you exactly what works in real life. Step 1. Understanding Fiverr. Before anything else, you need to fully understand how Fiverr actually works, because most beginners jump in without understanding the system, and that is exactly why they fail. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace where people from all over the world come to buy and sell services. These services are called gigs. A gig is simply a packaged service that solves a specific problem for a buyer. For example, someone might need a YouTube script, a logo design, a video edit, or even social media captions. Instead of doing it themselves, they come to Fiverr and pay someone to do it for them. Now here is the part most beginners completely misunderstand. You are not competing with the entire platform. You are not competing with everyone selling everything. You are competing inside a small category. And inside that category, Fiverr does not reward the most skilled person. It rewards the most visible and the most specific seller. That means even if you are a complete beginner, you can still succeed if your gig is positioned correctly. Fiverr is not about being the best. It is about being found. Step 2. Choosing the right service. Now let's talk about one of the most important decisions you will make on Fiverr, which is what you are going to sell. This is where most beginners go wrong. They try to offer too many services or choose something too difficult. If you are just starting, your goal is simple. You want your first order as quickly as possible. So you should choose something that is easy to deliver, in high demand, and beginner-friendly. Some examples include YouTube script writing, AI content writing, Canva designs, resume writing, simple logos, and product descriptions. Now let's focus on YouTube script writing as an example. Why is this powerful? Because content creators are everywhere, YouTube channels are growing fast, and many creators do not want to write their own scripts. They are willing to pay someone to do it for them. Now here is the strategy. Do not try to do everything. Pick one skill and focus on it. When you focus on one thing, you become easier to find and easier to trust. Step 3. Creating your Fiverr account. Now let's go step by step and set up your account properly. First, go to Fiverr and create a free account using your email. Once you're inside, switch to become a seller so you can start offering services. Now you need to complete your profile. Add a clear profile picture. It should look simple and professional. Write a short description explaining what you do and how you help people. For example, you can say you help YouTube creators write engaging scripts that improve retention and grow their channel. Then add your basic skills related to your service. Now here is where most people make a mistake. They rush this part or try to make it perfect. You do not need a perfect profile. You need a clear profile that shows what you do. Keep it simple and professional. Step 4. Creating your first gig. Now we move to creating your first gig, which is where your money will come from. Your gig is like your online shop. It is what people will see when they search on Fiverr. So everything needs to be clear and focused. Let's say you chose YouTube script writing. Your title should be simple and direct. For example, you can say I will write engaging YouTube scripts for your channel. Now your description is very important. Instead of talking about yourself, focus on what the buyer will get. You can say you will help them create engaging scripts that keep viewers watching longer, increase retention, and grow their channel faster. Now let's talk about pricing. Do not try to charge too much in the beginning. Start small with $5 to $10. The goal is not to make a lot of money immediately. The goal is to get your first client and your first review. Once that happens, everything becomes easier. Step 5. How to get your first order. This is the most important part, because this is where most people fail. They create a gig and then wait. But waiting does not work on Fiverr. You need to take action. First, optimize your gig with keywords that people are searching for, like YouTube script writing, freelance writing, and content writing. Make sure your thumbnail is clean and easy to read. Now here is the powerful strategy. Do not depend only on Fiverr traffic. Promote your gig outside Fiverr. Share it on Facebook groups where creators hang out. Post it on your WhatsApp status. Join Reddit communities related to freelancing and content creation. You can even create short videos on TikTok talking about your service. This brings traffic to your gig and helps Fiverr notice you faster. Now understand this. Your first 1 to 3 clients are the hardest to get. But once you get them, Fiverr starts recommending your gig more. Step 6. Making your first $100. Now let's break it down in a simple way. If you charge $5 per order, you need 20 orders to make $100. But here is the smart strategy. You do not stay at $5. Once you get reviews, you increase your price. Move from $5 to $10, then $15, then $20. Now instead of needing 20 clients, you only need a few clients to reach your goal. That is how you scale faster. Step 7. How to scale fast. Once you start getting orders, Fiverr begins to trust your account more. Now your focus should be on improving your service. Deliver faster so clients are happy. Communicate clearly so they trust you. Improve your gig images so more people click. Use better keywords so your gig ranks higher. But most importantly, focus on repeat clients. One client can give you multiple orders. That is how you grow faster without always looking for new customers. Reality check. Now let me be honest with you. Fiverr is not a get-rich-quick system. You will not make money on your first day. But if you stay consistent for 2 to 4 weeks, you can start seeing results. Most people fail because they quit too early. Final message. So if you want to make your first $100 on Fiverr, here is the simple formula. Pick one skill. Create a simple and clear gig. Focus on visibility. Get your first client. Then scale slowly. That is it. No magic, no shortcuts, just consistency. If you want, I can show you how to get your first Fiverr order in 24 hours step by step. Subscribe and watch the next video on your screen. And comment start if you are serious about making your first $100 online. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead,